Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video finally. This video is about the Genesis. I did the twin turbo kit literally a year and a half ago. It came back, we removed the Motec from it. There was an issue tuning the car with Motec, so that got removed. It's back on a stock ECU with a flash, of course. And now I am about to put in the JB4 Pro. Now, as you know, all these high horsepower 3.3 Lambda engines are utilizing the JB4 Pro along with the back end flash from Terry or Anton KJT. So as you know, the last 3 cars that I did that have my kit, they have all made plenty of horsepower.
Daddy, chill.
And this car is going to do the same. The JB4 Pro is going to be controlling our secondary pump, which I'll show you in a minute. This car is equipped with BMS's new Stage 3 fuel system, meaning Stage 3 fuel pump. And then we have port injection. So we have 6 extra injectors feeding directly into the head. Let me show you around and then let me get this installed. So you guys know this is Daniel's car, bagged G70 on Instagram. This is the kit I did about a year and a half ago, and we're about to make some power. So as you can see, we have that PI plate, and then we have 6 extra injectors, 3 and 3. This fuel system utilizes a fuel pressure regulator, as you can see back there. We have our flex fuel sensor, our low pressure sensor, and then obviously if you follow this line down, it's going into a fuel filter. Now with this new BMS fuel system, I mean, this is capable of 1,000, maybe 1,200 horsepower, we don't know. But as of right now, this car is probably gonna make around 800, so, or maybe more, we'll see. Let me go ahead, I'm gonna get the JB4 installed, and then we're gonna start doing some dyno pulls. All right, so JB4 Pro is installed. As you can see, we now have coolant pressure. We got our low pressure sensor right there, along with our flex fuel sensor. Everything's plugged in, ready to go. For now, I just ran the OBD2 wire going inside, just across the top for now until I can run it inside. But yeah, let's start doing some pulls. All right, guys, I got everything installed, and we're about to do a map 0 pull, and basically just wastegate. So let's see what it does. The boost, and we managed to get 426 and 397 foot-pounds of torque with a nice clean graph. So now we can move on to all the maps of the JB4 Pro, and let's see what we can squeeze out of this setup. One at 20 psi, we made 621 and 562 foot-pounds of torque. Now look at the graph. Now it's time to add a little bit more boost. Okay.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we're back. It is a few days after we had some fueling issues on the dyno, so we are back today. We've already gone through the maps. They're all revised with the new fuel setup. So as of right now, we've made 777 horsepower, and that's at about 28 psi. We're going to be doing a map 5, which is 30 psi run right now. There we go, 819 and 747 foot-pounds of torque, and just look at that graph. Think there, buddy. Alright, you guys saw it. We just made 819 horsepower at 30 psi. Of course, we want to go more. This is the highest horsepower turbo kit that I've built so far. I have one 819. I made one that made 800, and obviously the BMS race car, which made 780. We need a bigger turbo for that one. So, alright guys, of course 819 is not enough. We have to beat 830. So we're sending it to 32 psi. Let's see what she does. Yeah, let's go! 835, 788 torque. All right guys, Daniel's car is officially done. Up here I got maps from 0 to 6, ranging from 10 psi to 32 psi. As you can see, we started out with map 0 at 445 all the way down to map 6 at 835. And just look at these graphs. So as you guys know, this is the first twin turbo kit that I built for the Genesis or 3.3 platform. I have a video on there, I'll put it here so you guys can see that video. A year and a half or 2 years later, it's now actually done and running in tune. He had an issue using a Motec, which we're not docking Motec, but for this platform it just did not work. So he had to swap back to a stock ECU flash with a JB4 to control all the goodies that we put on the car. But yeah, this one's done. If you guys are looking for twin turbo kits, single turbo kits, you know who to go to.